Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Poly.Ai. You will click on settings. Here in this page you will go down to find this window of apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Snow. You will write the name of this application here and you can click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop. Then you will go to click on storage. Here you can go to clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Poly.Ai and then you can update your app if you find updates here in this blue sign.